Windsor Essex County may be one of the most underappreciated yet complex and fascinating regions of Ontario. It's a place where urban grit meets rural charm. From the scenic and quaint towns and farms to the invitingly rough and history-rich city, the region offers much to explore. Let's have a quick beer in Windsor Essex County. We'll start in Windsor, a city forever linked to Detroit, yet distinctly Canadian in its own right. There are postcard views of Detroit, but Windsor's true magic is found by turning inward and exploring the hidden gems, history, and passionate local culture. While downtown Windsor could use a little love, there's still plenty to discover if you look closely. Let's start at Walkerville Brewery, a massive space housed in a former Hiram Walker barrel house from the 1800s. It was originally Windsor's first craft brewery before closing and reopening in 2012. With about 12 to 15 beers pouring, the taproom focuses on classic styles that honor the region's brewing heritage. A random fun fact is that owner Mike Berkovich played with Magic Johnson at Michigan State University in the 70s. Just a few minutes away near the Ford City neighborhood is Two Brewing. This LGBTQ+ owned brewery sits in an industrial-style space with a colorful brick-walled taproom, a cozy bar, and a patio lined with picnic tables. The name refers to the brewer's second career, and the beer lineup featured a cream ale, amber, IPA pale ale, and Helles. And while in Ford City, make a stop at Cookie Bar, a unique fusion of bakery and bar where you can pair a sweet treat with a great local beer. Crossing downtown, don't miss Sandwich Brewing, located in a stunningly restored, historic building. This space is a beautiful blend of vintage tin ceilings, exposed brick walls, and modern beer styles. The tap list featured a nice range, including a Nipa, Lime Gosa, and Espresso Porter. The friendly staff make it even more worth the visit. For a throwback to another era, the Victoria Tavern is a must-see. It's a living example of the Ontario beverage room, and still boasts its ladies and escorts door, with stacks of OV cases and walls covered in beer memorabilia. The decor, complete with upholstered wooden chairs and low-seated tables, is a step back in time. Despite its old-school charm, the Old Vic keeps up with the times, offering 3 Walkerville beers on tap. The Dominion House, or DH, established in 1878, is one of Ontario's oldest taverns. Brimming with history and character, they serve up both Walkerville and Sons of Kent, and you're bound to hear some great stories, like the person I met whose parents had their wedding reception here in 1956. Heading to Little Italy, there's an emerging scene brewing. The Erie St GastroPub is a bright, modern space with about 17 taps, featuring a range of Ontario breweries. The WindsorEats food hall is a creation of local foodie and entrepreneur Adriano Chodoli, a hybrid space that welcomes food trucks to its massive patio and a spacious indoor bar. Margaritas are their focus, complemented by a craft can selection and a lively chat with Adriano. Things are about to pop here, as right across the parking lot, 2 well-known downtown Windsor spots are moving in. Craft Heads and Phog Lounge are opening side by side, and while they were still operating in their original locations when I visited, keep an eye out for them on Erie St soon. Windsor is a city that rewards those who pay attention. The more you explore, the more you uncover. Hidden history, bursts of urban art, and unexpected beauty. Its beer scene is a compelling mix of vintage old-school charm and modern creativity, kind of like Windsor itself. Stay tuned for our next episode of A Quick Beer, where we venture beyond the city to explore the robust beer, cider, and spirit scene of the beautiful Essex County.